Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So wondering what to do with all the leftover turkey? Well, don't worry, I've got your back covered. So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful red Thai curry. Let's get to it.
So all the ingredients will be listed down below, but let's quickly go through them. So you got chili, you got 2 lemongrasses, you got 400 grams of turkey, you got 2 cans of coconut milk, palm sugar, Thai red curry, you got some kaffir lime leaves, 2 shallots and some Thai basil. To the pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil, then get your lemongrass, chop the ends off, and then with the back of the knife give it a good old whack and start to break those fibres up. Then cut it in half so that you're doubling up and get as much flavour out as possible. Next, put your diced shallots into the oil and fry those off until nice golden brown and soft. With the curry paste, add as much as you want. The more you add, the hotter it will become. Then you add your turkey and give that a good mix up. You want to coat that turkey with all of that paste, so you want to just literally mix it around until you're happy that everything has got a nice even coating. Then add your lemongrass and put that at the bottom. Then add your 2 cans of coconut milk. Now with coconut milk you will have solids in it as well, so just give those a bit of a break up and just help that start that process of breaking it all down. Then your palm sugar. If you can't get palm sugar, you can use like apricot jam, that works quite well. Next, add your kaffir lime leaves. If you can get fresh, that works better, but dries right at a push. And then lastly, a tablespoon of fish oil. If you can't get fish oil, you can just use salt. And then give that a good old mix. Just start getting all those flavours melting together. Then add the lid, and we're going to heat this for about 30 minutes. Next, it's time to plate up. So I've got some coconut rice here. I love coconut rice, but use your favourite rice. Get a good portion on there, and then ladle on that beautiful fragrant curry that you've just made. The sauce that is in it is just so delicate, and it just complements the turkey so well. To finish off, just put some fresh chilli and dot that around. Just adds a really nice fresh heat to it. And then finally that Thai basil. Just put a few leaves on top. Not only does it make it look really pretty, but actually adds a really nice flavour to it as well. And it's time to eat.
Well, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please hit that like button. If you loved it, please subscribe to the channel. Go and check out this video where I show you how to make a really quick and easy but delicious spaghetti bolognese. But until the next video, I'll see you then. Take care.